Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session of online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, we were dealing with the chapter Accounting for Share Capital. In our previous class, we have discussed what is issue of shares and done some problem related to issue of shares in lump sum as well as in installment. We also saw when the shares are issued at par and premium, what are the journal entries which we are supposed to pass. Then we discuss about calls in arrears and calls in advance. Now we are going to discuss oversubscription of share capital. Here you can see that shares are said to be oversubscribed when the shares applied are more than the shares offered for subscription. You have to understand that shares are offered by a company, and who apply it? The shares are applied by the shareholders. So when share offered is more than when share applied is more than share offered, it is a case of oversubscription of shares. So the application which is received from the shareholder is more than what the company is offering or need, then it is a case of oversubscription of shares. Since the company cannot allot shares more than the shares offered for subscription, shares can be allotted by any of the four alternatives. It is a rule that the company cannot allot the shares more than what is offered to the public. So they have three choices available. So company can go with the first alternative, that is rejection of excess application. So whatever is received in excess, that money will be refunded back to the shareholders, and that applications will be rejected. That is known as rejection of application. Suppose here in this example you can see the company is issuing 50,000 shares and they have received 70,000 shares. So we only require 50,000. Excess is 20,000. So some of the shareholders' shares will be rejected. That is 20,000 shares will be rejected and their money will be refunded back to them. Then the second alternative which is available for them is partial or pro rata allotment. Pro means proportionate rate. Okay, in proportion they can allot the share. All applicants are allotted shares in proportion. This is called partial or pro rata allotment. For example, considering the above example, that is above stated example, shares are allotted to all the applicants. We will not in this case all the applicants will be considered in the ratio of 5 shares for every 7 share applicants. So we will be going for 5:7 ratio. That is, those who are applied for 7 shares, the company is ready to allot them 5 shares. We will reduce the number of shares which they have applied for. Okay, so that is the second alternative, and there is a combination here. That is, third alternative is any combination of the above two alternatives. So a combination of the above two alternatives may be adopted. Some applicants are accepted in full, some applicants are rejected, and proportionate allotment is made to the remaining. For example, consider the above example. Shares are allotted as follows. Applications for 20,000 shares are accepted in full. Applications for 10,000 shares are rejected, and the balance. So out of that 70,000 which we have received, for 20,000 we have accepted the full. Okay, and 10,000 we have rejected, and the balance. So out of 70,000, 10 is rejected, 20 is accepted in full. So remaining 40 will be given on the proportionate basis. That means in ratio of 3 shares for every 4 shares applied. So those who are asking for 4 share, we will not give them the complete share, but we will give them 3 share. In that proportionate way, we will do the problems. So these are the 3 alternatives available. So according to that, you have to go for a journal entry. Now look here, accounting entries in case of oversubscription. So first journal entry will be the same, that is bank account debited to share application account. And the second case, application money for allotted shares. So when you are allotting the shares, the journal entry will be share application account debited to share capital account. Okay, so this is allotment entry, and sometimes you will have to reject some of the share application, and we have to refund them the cash. So the journal entry will be share application account debited to cash account. We are refunding the cash, so cash is moving out of the business. Then if adjustments is there, then you have to move with this entry. Combined entry, then the journal entry will be, for all this case a combined entry can be passed, that is share application account debited to share capital account, to bank account, that is refunded amount, to share allotment account, that is the excess money you can adjust to the next installment, that is share allotment account, to calls in advance account. So these are the entries for oversubscription of shares. Now quickly we can do one problem related to the first alternative available, that is rejection of application. The company may reject excess application in such a case, application money received from such applicants is returned to them in full. So here is a problem, that is Good Company Limited invited applications for 1 lakh shares of ₹10 each, payable 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and the balance when required. Applications were received for 1,20,000 shares, out of which applications for 1 lakh shares were accepted and remaining applications were rejected. Allotment money was received on 99,500 shares. Past journal entry in the books of Good Company Limited. From this problem, you have understood that the company is inviting 1 lakh shares. So the company is ready to offer, it is issuing 1 lakh shares. And what is the price of one share? 10 rupees. How are they collecting this 10 rupees? 3 on application, 3 on allotment, and the balance. So out of 10, 6 less, what is remaining? 4. So 4 rupees they will be collecting as a balance for the next call. Okay, through next call. Applications were received for 1,20,000 shares. You can see how much shares were issued, 1 lakh, and they are receiving 1,20,000. That means 20,000 excess they are receiving. So out of that, out of which applications for 1 lakh shares were accepted. The company accepted 1 lakh shares, but that excess of 20,000 shares was completely rejected. Allotment money was received on 99,500 shares. So we can see here, instead of, this is a case when allotment money was not received. So there is a calls in arrear in this case. You are supposed to pass a journal entry for Good Company Limited. So quickly we can see here, journal entry of Good Company Limited is to be written as a title, then date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Now first journal entry for application is bank account debited to share application account. So how much shares? Here you have to see that you have received application from 1,20,000 shares. So in the bracket you can write down 1,20,000 into application money is 3 rupees. So 1,20,000 into 3, that will give you 3,60,000. That is the application money which you have received. So you have to pass the journal entry, bank account debited to share application account. Amount is 3,60,000. Narration will be Bean application money received on 1,20,000 shares at the rate of 3 per share. Okay. Then the next entry is you are transferring that money to your respective share capital account. Here, but you have to remember that you are rejecting some cash, which the cash which is received in excess. So you have applied for 1 lakh shares, but you are received 1,20,000. So excess is 20,000. So from that 20,000, you have received 3 rupees. So 20 into 3, 60,000, that will be rejected. So let us see the journal entry first. Share application account debited to share capital account to bank account. Share application amount, you have to write the same money what you have written in front of share application. This will be written over here. Then for share capital account, how much shares were issued by us? 1 lakh. That 1 lakh into what is the application money? 3 rupees. So 1 lakh into 3, that will give you 3 lakh. Okay. Now bank, to bank, how much is the amount? 20,000. How come this 20,000 come? You have, see, 1 lakh is the issued shares and you have received 1,20,000. So how much is the extra shares you are receiving? 20,000. That 20,000 is this. Okay. So from them, keeping 3 rupees as an application money, we have received 60,000. That is rejected and you are refunding that money. So to bank account. Bean application money adjusted and surplus refunded. Next is the allotment. You are making call for allotment. So share allotment account debited to share capital account. Now you have to write here 1 lakh into how much is the allotment money? 3 rupees. So 1 lakh into 3, that will give you 3 lakh. Okay. Next is bank account debited to share allotment account received. How much is received? It is given in the question that allotment money was received on 99,500 shares. So 99,500 into 3. How much you will get? 2,98,500. This is the amount which you have received. And because they have not mentioned about calls in arrears account, you are not preparing the calls in arrears. So children, now it is time to conclude our class. I hope you have understood the concept of oversubscription and the case. First alternative case which is available is rejecting the complete share which is in excess. So you have to practice this problem and do the test problem, review test problem, so that you can get an idea whether you have understood this problem or not. Okay. So let us discuss the rest of the oversubscription combination in our coming session. Till then, goodbye.